I feel so caffeinated, but I'm not. Hello, Internet. Hello, YouTube. Hello. How are you doing today? It's so good to see you. Thanks for coming back. If this is your first time here, hi, how are you doing? Sit back and relax while we talk about some makeup and see what's going on in the subscription beauty box world. I don't know what's going on. I just open boxes and play with the makeup. But if that's something you're down with and you're interested in seeing or watching, hit that like button at any point in time. Also, if you want to see more of me, just pop up on your little page over and over and over again. Hit that subscribe button and I'll keep showing up. Any point in time during this video you're like, girl, this is too long, you talk too much, I need to skip over you, I'm gonna put some timestamps down below. Anytime point in time you see the box and you're like, I need that box in my life, click down below, I'll leave a link for you. This is like the strangest intro. I feel so caffeinated, but I'm not. So today we're going to be opening up January 2020 Allure Beauty Box. Look at that glare. So for those of you unfamiliar with the Allure Beauty Box, it is a monthly subscription. It's $15 a month plus tax, so I end up paying about $16.05. We all have to live with taxes. I just have to live with mine a little bit more. I know. Let's not talk about it. You will get at least 2 full-size products included in every box, which I think is amazing. And if you are a new subscriber, you are actually going to be able to get a new member gift. New member gift for January is, I don't know how to pronounce this, Kodali Instant Foaming Cleanser. Not that exciting, but it's still free, so hey. And that's a full-size item. It's like, what? You should have seen the crap I got when I first subscribed to this thing. And now there's like cleansers and blow dryers just being thrown all over the place. The blow dryer was last month. You missed out. So let's just go back in time and see what I got included in my Allure Beauty Box January 2020. Opening up the box, first thing you see, red crepe paper. You have a nice little pamphlet and that's the cover. Usually get a description from the editors of what's included this month, why they picked it, how to use it, and how much it costs. And they usually also include coupons or discounts so you can get some money off if you end up buying the product. Kate Somerville Exfoliate. That's pretty funny. The grainy paste works as a mask, a scrub, and a peel all at the same damn time. Okay. In addition to superfine granules to slough, I don't know how you pronounce that, slough away dead skin. It contains lactic acid, which acts as a chemical exfoliant. I like to use exfoliate when my face is in need of some help, usually once a week, and the tingle is real. I don't like when I hear tingle. Tingle does not really mean good things. If you have particularly sensitive skin, tread lightly. Oh my god, this is not good. And the scent, it smells more like an herbal remedy shop than a pricey skincare product. How pricey is it? It's not cheap. It's $175. What? Are you crazy? For what? For a 5-ounce bottle. Ooh, oh my god. $75 for 1.7 ounces. But did I mention the gorgeous glow you get? Girl, that is pretty steep, I'll tell you what. This is 2.5 fluid ounces right here. By my math, this is roughly about $11. Ooh. Smells really nice. I smell like mint in there. Whoa, dude, that is not what I was expecting. So that is what it looks like. Use 1 to 2 times a week. Apply to a wet face and massage for 30 seconds. Leave on for up to 2 minutes. Rinse gently and pat dry. So I wet my face. It does have a grainy texture to it, so I'm assuming that's the exfoliator, whatever that grain is. Massage for 30 seconds. Okay. Alright, I think that's been 30 seconds and I'm supposed to leave it on for 2 minutes. And she said the tingle is real. Yes, the tingle is real. Is it unbearable? No. but it's like moving through my face. So it's like different parts are tingling. So right here, I can definitely feel the tingle. My upper lip is tingling now. Ooh, and the entire color just kind of like melted away into my skin. So it does actually have the ingredients right on the packaging. How does my skin feel? Doesn't feel bad. Sensitive skin, I would probably suggest not to do it because I did feel it like rubbing against my skin. But if you have like serious, you know, where you have to like scrub it hard, this might not be the product for you because it doesn't look like it got everything that it needed to on my face. And trust me, my face needs some work, girl. It needs some work. I would definitely use it again. Now, would I spend the money on it? That's a different question. The answer is probably no, because I'm a cheapskate. VitaBird C12 Dual Drop Serum. And it's age defying and deep hydration. And the Dual Drop Serum helps the skin look firmer, brighter, and hydrated. So that is fun. Ooh. Now that looks really cool. That is so cute. It looks pretty freaking thick. Usually when I get a serum, it's a lot thinner. I mean, look at the bubbles in there. They ain't moving for nothing. All I want in my beauty life, glowing, dewy skin. No, that's not what I want. Tell you dewy and oily. There's a very fine line. I keep 2 ingredients in heavy rotation, vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. This serum conveniently has both. The vitamin C and peptides help promote new collagen, while the hyaluronic acid keeps moisture sealed in. Full size of this runs $62. Like, you can't give me like a $20 product? $62. And this is 0.34. This little thing right here, this thing that is the length of my nose, is $20.66. Alright, so I'm just gonna drop it down. Oh, and it does feel like a serum. I thought it was thicker in the bottle, but it does feel like a serum. Yeah, that doesn't really have a scent to it. Perfect Shine Oil Mist, and this is a color and heat protectant by NatureLab. It's a NatureLab Perfect Shine Oil Mist. Light mist on dry hair for mirror-like shine. It's a light reflecting hair oil. I usually stay away from hair products. I say this every time I come across a hair product, so I apologize if you've heard this from me multiple times. This is not from me. I'm just gonna put it to the side somewhere. It runs $16. It's for 4 fluid ounces, and this is 1 fluid ounce. This would be $4 for this little sample. Philosophy, and it's called Renewed Hope in a Jar Water Cream. And I am actually a fan of water creams. It's like so bouncy and airy, but it actually like moisturizes at the same time. Something like this would definitely, I'm assuming, work for me. We'll see. Let's try it out. And it's called a Hyaluronic Glow Moisturizer. And it says it looks like a blueberry sorbet. It does have a hint of blue to it. Ooh, it smells so clean and fresh. It makes you think of water, but like really clean scent. Oh wow. This is really, it's a lot thicker than I anticipated. I thought it would just like glide on. It does, but you know, you have to work it into your skin. It's not like the other ones that I've used before. I kind of just slip on my face. It feels really good on the skin. I don't know if this is gonna hang through the winter months though. I'm just saying the texture itself, it's just not thick enough for me personally. And it's drying down already, which is not something that I want in the winter. The Philosophy Water Cream, I can't really say I'm impressed by it. I think it would work for some people, just not my cup of tea. It just doesn't feel thick enough to be able to withstand the elements throughout a full day. Full size of this is 2 ounces and runs $39. This is 0.23 fluid ounces. This little thing is $4.50. I wouldn't spend $4.50 for this. So next thing we have included is a product from Tarte. And this is a full size. It's Gifted, which is Amazonian Clay Smart Mascara. It's a smart mascara. That's gotta be amazing. It's in the color black. Hey, and look at it. It's bamboo. How cute is freaking that? What does it say on it? Oh, it says gifted. That is so cool. I feel like I could play the drums with this. This is like, I have long eyelashes. Right there, we're off to a bad start. Because I got little stubbies. They're not long. This mascara delivers on all fronts. It coats and lengthens lashes without making them droop. One easy coat in, and I saw a difference. If you're expecting a mascara that aggressively volumizes your eyelashes, look elsewhere. No, that's not comforting. This guy gives lashes length and just a bit of volume, which is exactly right for me. And I dig the wooden tube too. I think everyone digs the wooden tube. It's so like out of the ordinary. It's pretty cool. And this one's $23. So these are what my little stubbies are looking like right now. You can't see them. I know. They're barely there. That's why they're stubbies. Alright, so I only did the top. You can see a slight difference. There's mascara on them. My little tiny stubbies. That's why I need mascara and falsies, okay? Don't judge me. Don't judge me. And that's what the wand looks like. I'm a huge fan of the formula from Tarte. It literally just glides on, and it's a soft bristle brush that they use, not plastic. So it's just really soft on your lashes. This is called Allure Skin Pure Lip Restoration. And you can wear it on its own or prior to applying lip colors. I have my own personal weather girl. Her name is Eczema. Oh no, it's the eczema lady. This might not be something I want. It soothes my cracked lips without feeling like a thick ointment. Well, that's good to hear. My lips are always chapped, so anything that can help. This is adorable. I love the packaging. Little tin can. So that's what the inside looks like. Bright yellow. Looks like almost like beeswax, lanolin. Almond and castor seed oil are the main hydrating ingredients, while beeswax locks in the moisture, and there's a light citrus smell. Comes from an orange peel. It's very light. Ooh, but it feels super soft though. It's like a jelly almost. I'm gonna go through this so quick, freaking fast. So it runs $30 for a full size. Is this a full size? This is 0.23 ounces. Let's see what the full size is. Because if this is $30, psh, you need to give that back. I'll stick with my Burt's Bees. Thank you very much. You won't believe it. These crazy people say this tiny thing. Look, look, look. Look at my eye. Can you see it? This tiny thing is $30. This is a full size. I know it looks big like that, but it's not. It really isn't. Like, and it's winter time. I mean, I would fly through this with my big lips. Are you serious right now? You must be tripping. Thank you very much. There's a lot cheaper options. I'll enjoy trying this though. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, well that's 2 full-sized items. Crazy to me. It doesn't feel like a lip balm. It feels like I am gonna have to keep reapplying it. It is making my lips a little bit softer though. I'm gonna say it does work. Yes, my lips do feel softer, but not for $30. Thank you. I'll find another option. Appreciate you. But that's it. That's the video. Bye.